If you look on your answer sheet, I actually did these with logarithms, but that's not probably what they want. So I'll go ahead and explain what they want. All right. So let's start with this one, which is a little bit easier. See how the base is 3? How would I change 9 into a base 3 expression? Well, 9 is 3 squared, isn't it? So I changed 9 to a base of 3, and there's a p equals 3 to the third. Okay, now that means this is 3 to the power of 2p, because you multiply them together. When there's parentheses, you multiply them together, is equal to 3 to the third. Now if you think about it, 3 to the something equals 3 to the something. The two somethings have to equal each other. So you could really kind of just get rid of the 3's and say 2p has to be the same as 3. They have to equal each other. So now I would just divide both sides by 2, and p is equal to 3 over 2. That's what they're looking for. Now I also could do it just with logarithms, but I think this is what they're looking for, so I'm going over it with you. Right, now let's go over here. My base is 3. And because my base is 3, I have to figure out something that also has a base of 3 that gives you 81. Well, that's 3 to the 4th. 3 to the 4th is 81. So I change it to a base of 3 to the 4th. I change the 81. It's got a negative 3n equals 3 to the 5th. Right? Now, because these are parentheses, I have to multiply, don't I? So this is 3 to the negative 12th is equal 3 to the 5th. Now 3 to the something has to equal 3 to the somethings have to equal each other. So negative 12n has to equal 5. Now let's do divide by negative 12, divide by negative 12. N is equal to negative 5 over 12. That's what they're looking for on those problems. Now again, I showed you on your answer document how to do it with logarithms, but that's what they're looking for. Okay, this is very simple. What it's asking you for is how did it move? How did it change from the original function? So let's go back a little ways. We said things that are stuck at the end, that's up or down, isn't it? So this one's up 4. Things that are inside the function are left and right. Things that are inside the function are left and right. So this is, and they're backwards, aren't they? They're backwards. So this is going to the left 3. Now anything that multiplies is a vertical stretch. And anytime there's a negative, that's a reflection over the x-axis. We've been doing that all year long. Up and down, left and right, stretch or compress, reflect. So let's go over here. Plus 1, up 1. Inside the function, that means left 3. Outside the function, that means reflect over the x-axis. That's just reading. You have to read those. Now you can try to look them up on the graphing, but it's really hard to see. You need to just know those things.